In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Buick LaCrosse key fob. This process is very easy to do. You won't need any special tools or anything like that. You'll just need a regular flathead screwdriver, and you'll need one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online, and I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and that will be the exact battery that you need for this device. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested, and then let's just get right into it. Right on the bottom here, if you look right along the seam of the two pieces of plastic, you'll see a little space, kind of in a slot in the plastic. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and insert it into that area, and once it's wedged in there, just gently twist. Twist until you feel it start to come apart there. Don't twist all the way because you will kind of damage that little space and it'll be hard to open in the future. So just wait until you have a little opening and then pull it apart with your fingers or use your flathead screwdriver to just twist, kind of working your way down the side until it comes apart nicely like that. Now what we're going to do is actually pull out this little circuit board just like that, set this to the side, and now we have access to the battery and we can just slide it out with our finger and go ahead and dispose of the old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and make sure you are putting it in positive side up. So you want to see that text and that plus sign facing up, and you will just slide it down into place. And now we can look over here at this little rubber component. We're just going to set the circuit board in there with the battery facing up, and it should sit down in place nicely. And we can finally just click the two pieces back together. And just like that, we are done. I hope that video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or you can let me know just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, always remember to come back to this YouTube channel where we have videos for the devices for pretty much every maker model, and we make it super simple for you. And you can also get all of that information and more directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.